In modern relationships, it's not the fights that destroy love. It's the silent expectations, the unspoken rules, the invisible tests, and the quiet disappointments we never talk about. You expect them to understand your moods without saying a word. They expect you to know when they're hurting without asking for help. And both sides end up building a love that's filled with assumptions instead of honesty. Because today, communication has been replaced with we don't say, "I need you." We say, "You should have known." Modern relationships fail not because people stop loving, but because they start expecting love to come with perfect understanding. Real connection isn't about someone predicting your emotions. It's about someone being safe enough for you to express them. Love without expression becomes pressure, and pressure always breaks. So if you truly want peace and love, stop expecting perfection. Start communicating your truth, because silence might keep the peace for a while, but honesty is what keeps love alive.